I created this gorgeous all matte look today. This look was inspired by a picture that I found on Pinterest, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, keep watching. So here is the picture of my inspiration. I found this look on Pinterest, and I believe the artist's name is Bree, and I decided to do some recreations on my channel this year. And so just starting out, I am using the Magic palette, and I'm using this nude shade called Nana, and I'm just adding that in my crease. Next up, I'm going into the Zulu palette and using this orange shade, and just blending that in, and then going back in with that first brush. And now I'm dipping into the Coloredraine Vivid Pigments palette, and I'm using that first shade in the palette called Sauce. Next, I'm going into the blush palette by the Crayon Case, and I'm using this deep burgundy shade called Berries. And I'm just going to keep going back and forth and blending. So now it's time for eyeliner. I'm using the Morphe Gel eyeliner in the shade Jet, and I'm just going to line my eyes first because I do believe she has a black liner first. And just for reference, I don't know who this artist is, but I did find it on her Pinterest. So if you know who she is, can you definitely tag her down below in my comments? I would love to give credit where it's due. Now dipping back into Watch Me Blush palette, I'm using the gold shade, which is called Old Banana, and I'm adding that in my inner tear duct. Next, I'm going to do the glitter liner, and this is just a glitter liner from Amazon, and it's more of a red glitter, and I'm just going to add that to my lash line and just above the black liner. For lashes, I'm using the Pretty Girl lashes. These are in the style Strong. And per usual, I'm doing my favorite routine of mixing Born This Way and my Nora Sheer Glow. So I'm just going to mix the two on the back of my hand for my perfect shade. And just apply it all over my face. For concealer, I'm also using the Born This Way concealer under my eyes because I wanted more of a brighter look. And for my contour, I'm using the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Truffle, just to contour my nose and my cheek. And to set the concealer, I'm using the Fenty setting powder in honey under my eyes. I wanted to try the setting powder with another foundation other than the Fenty foundation just to see how it plays well with other foundations, other concealers. So I decided to try that out. And to set the contour, I'm using my CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony. And I'm also using the Ebony bronzer just to add a little bit of color to my forehead. And I'm also going to set all of that powder. And I'm going in with the Juvia's Place highlighter, the loose highlighter in the shade Nubia. And I am loving that 501 highlighter brush, or it's just working out for me now. And I'm just going to highlight all over. And for lips, I'm going in with the Crayon Case lip liner in the shade Coffee just to line my lips. And for the lipstick, I'm also using the Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade Marie. And just right on top, I'm going to add the Crayon Case lip gloss in Pecan Poppin'. And then I'm just going to wet my brush and just go back in with Old Banana, the gold in my inner tear duct, as well as line my bottom lash line with that same Morphe gel liner. The NARS Climax Mascara. So I decided that I'm gonna start recreating looks that I am inspired by from Pinterest, Instagram, and various places. And this is the final look. And I do appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Please also like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.